got a update version of my Super Duty. I blew the cold side intercooler pipe. It cracked, seeped a hole, oil all over my hood. Hated it, didn't like it, sucks. But put a new one on it, and literally 2 days later, I cracked the intake manifold studs. I broke them. There, 2 of them gone, done, disintegrated. And I guess it's a known fact about 120, 130,000 miles on the first generation 6.7s that they are prone to breaking those studs. So I ordered the BD Diesel Performance Kit, and it came with the studs, the gaskets. To do the intakes, you will have to buy, if you're going to do it yourself, you'll have to buy all the other kits to do your intakes and your turbo to do it all if you wanted to do it yourself. But it really wasn't too bad. You can have a shop do it, but me and my buddy did it in 2 days, and it wasn't really that bad. Fought the V-band clamps the most, but put them all on there, started, worked great, blew the charge pipe, and it's seeping on the Ford design. It's a rubber boot with a quick connect on one side, and it, pretty sure from taking it on and off, it ruined that O-ring. So I got recommendation on the AFE Power, and so I ordered it, showed up today, and let's see what it looks like. It's always nice when you open it up and the first thing you see is stickers. Key for buying expensive stuff and you get a sticker with it, right? That's usually what everybody looks for. What do we got? So here's the boot. So this is the one side. So in the original Ford one, it's got boots on both sides, but I believe on this, and I'll check here in a second, it's only got the boot on the intercooler side. So got that. What's this? Oh, that was pretty cool. I thought I saw this in the car, but I wasn't really too sure. And yeah, they sent a AFE powered mug. That's pretty cool. I like these mugs. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna use that all the time. The other junk in here. And there's the beast of the pipe. Let's pull this apart, clear some room out here. Don't need that. That was nothing else in there. Oh yeah, that is really nice actually. It's almost kind of like a bed liner feeling on it, but it looks pretty cool. But I don't know if you guys can see the texture or hear it. But so yeah, so it's got a quick connect on this side, but on the Ford, it's a boot on this side and a boot on this side, and it was loose, it was wobbling all over the place. And so this design changes it to all one piece, gets rid of the boot, stick the O-ring in there, and you're pretty much golden, to be honest with you. But yeah, this is a much better design. So yeah, I just wanted to do an unboxing for you guys. It says it increases your airflow by 20%. So let's see if that's true. And I'm pretty sure it was, just because of the design of this is way better than the one that Ford had. So yeah, we're gonna put the charge pipe on that truck. Shouldn't take, but honestly, about 30 minutes to do, because it's pretty simple. I gotta pull the old one off, pull the retainer clip, put it on this one, and that's basically all you have to reuse, and you ditch the old one, because it is not good. I already installed the O-ring on it. You just put a little oil on it, put it in, makes for an easy installation. They give you this in case you have a sensor in your truck, but mine does not, so they give you a plug to screw into it, as seen. And we'll just tighten that here in a bit. But all right, let's go ahead and get that old pipe off and see if we can put this sucker on. Be back with you in just a second. All right guys, got it installed, and took a little longer because I had to redo the boot because it was fighting me really bad. So let's turn it on and see if I hear any leaks. Alright, we'll let it warm up for a second, and then I'll give it a little rev and see what you hear. Nope, I don't hear it. Last time I could hear it, it was really bad. So, alright guys, well, it takes honestly 30 minutes, but if you can get that boot on faster, probably like 10-15 minutes. So, alright guys, well, hope you guys enjoyed, and definitely worth the upgrade if you have this generation Super Duty. So, All right, guys. See you later.